This is a Rounded tech support video. From software problems to Mac and PC problems and even hardware problems, all of that is covered right here at Rounded Tech. Please note, any strategies used in this video only applies to a PC. This is a PC only video. Today's video is on replacing a laptop hard drive. This is a very basic process to do and won't take you any longer than 15 minutes. To replace your hard drive, you will need screwdrivers both big and small. In most cases, you will require a Phillips head screwdriver. You may need to replace your hard drive if your old one is broken, or if you're backing up your data. In most laptops, you will gain access to the hard drive from underneath. You simply need to unscrew the hatch until the screw is out, and then just lift the hatch out, like so. Your hard drive will be sitting there. There will possibly be a screw here. You undo the screw, and then you push and release your hard drive. As you can see, this hard drive has an enclosure around it, and you will need to remove this by undoing the screws. Then you will need to fit it around your new hard drive. Please note, not every laptop has the same frame. Inserting your new hard drive is pretty much the same as before, but in reverse order. So you place it in, you make sure you line up the screws carefully, the pins you then carefully push, it will slot in. Once it is slotted into place, you then make sure to put your screw in there so it doesn't move around. You can then replace the hard drive cover, snap it into place and screw it back in. And it is simple as that. Fortunately, it is not always as simple as that. On other laptops, the hard drive may be enclosed behind a hatch along the side of your laptop. You simply just need to remove the hatch, most likely with a screw, pull out your hard drive, and it is simple. You then remove your frame, as you see here, and then it is all systems go. Just slot your new hard drive into the side of your computer and replace the hatch. Some laptops have a unibody design, and to remove and replace the hard drive on them, you need to completely dismantle the laptop. Just click on the video above for a guide on how to do that. Subscribe, and for more content, and if you would like to stay up to date with the latest news at Rounded Tech, please follow us at Twitter.